In today's video, I'll be speaking about the risks and warnings associated with trading bots, okay? And believe me, these are things that you need to know about if you are trading with bots, all right? And as we begin, guys, if you need good bots, I'll offer you more than 100 trading bots and more than 100 documents right now. So immediately WhatsApp me in the description and I will tell you how to get these materials, because I want each one of us to have extremely good bots, not just bots, good and excellent bots. Okay, so let's get directly into it. Now, the first thing is bots can lose money if they are misconfigured. What is misconfiguration? It's basically where the bot is set wrongly. Let's take this analogy. You come here, you have analyzed and you have seen volatility 10-1s is favorable towards differs. So you come select volatility 1s and then you come here and select differs, all right? And then you come and select prediction 1. Okay, as you can see, I'll select 1. But when you go back to the market, you see that now differs has actually changed to volatility 101s. So you come back, you change the volatility to 101s. Okay, and then you proceed to press run because your prediction was already 1. You press run. That is one thing that can cost you a lot of money, because every time that you change the volatility in Deriv, the contract type usually resets. All right, so anytime that I come back and change the volatility, the contract type will reset. So if I do not come and change it to differs once again, I might end up trading matches and I might end up incurring losses. And remember, losses in differs are very costly and they are something that you do not wish to incur. All right, so ensure you correctly set your bot whenever you are trading, and always confirm your setting or your configuration. Because anytime you do a little bit of change, or anytime, let's say I come here and change to even over under or to even odd, the bot usually resets itself. So ensure you always confirm your settings before you run your bot. And please, guys, do not tamper with this section. The restart trading condition section. Please don't touch anything, because one misalignment in the bot can really cost you. All right, so that is the first risk and warning. Be careful when you are using your bot, because if you misconfigure, you might end up incurring unnecessary losses. Okay, losses that you should not have incurred. All right, so that is the first thing. The second thing, guys, high risk strategies like Martingale can empty your balance quickly. The Martingale is one feature about bots that actually many people usually like, because it makes it easy for you to recover your losses. But it can really work against you. So please take it as a warning in this way. Now, when you trade differs, all right, let me select differs. Differs here. When you select differs and you incur one loss, you need 11 times your stake to recover that loss, even 12 times your stake to recover that loss. So let's say you incur a loss 2 times in a row. So your bot will actually use, all right, more than 20 times your stake to actually try to recover this loss. And believe me, that will blow your account. All right, no matter how big your account is, when you incur about 3 to 4 losses in differs and your bot uses the martingale of 11, you will blow your account. So when you use a martingale, please be cautious and always be alert, because this thing of just setting your bot and then running it and then going to do other activities will cost you, especially if you're trading contract types like differs. All right, so when you're using a martingale, use it. When you use the martingale wisely, you'll make a lot of profit. But if you use it in the wrong way, it will cost you. The martingale is one of the primary factors of people actually blowing their accounts, because you set your martingale, you press run and you sit back. All right, before you know it, you see that you've had one loss, you say, let me recover. When you see the other loss, you say, let me recover again. And before you know it, your account is depleted. So when you're using a martingale, please be cautious, because if you use it in the wrong way, or if you use it and then you just leave the bot to do its thing by its own, you will incur losses. Okay, so please be cautious whenever you're using the martingale. All right, and the other thing, guys, market conditions can change rapidly. All right, market conditions can change rapidly, and therefore no bot is 100% reliable. Guys, if you see anyone telling you their bot is 100% reliable, that's a lie, and that person will take and scam you off your money. No bot is 100% reliable. But that does not mean there are no good bots, okay? There are excellent high-performing bots in Deriv, but there is no bot that has a 100% accuracy. Volatilities change really quickly, and sometimes it becomes difficult for the bot to keep up, and that might incur some losses. But now, the benefit of having a high-performing bot is that it will enable you to recover. But losses will always be there, and there is no bot that will never. If you hear somebody telling you this bot will never incur any loss, that person only wants your money. And that is why they usually offer these bots at $500, $600, $400, $300, because they are interested in actually selling the bot. That is why every time I say in this channel, if you need bots, I'll give you more than 100 trading bots, more than 100 and more than 100 documents containing various trading strategies at less than $20. Less than. Because my primary objective is that every trader should have every best high-performing trading bot in Deriv without actually giving out much of their money, because I want you to use majority of your savings, majority of your income to actually trade on Deriv, and a little bit of it to just acquire good bots, because believe me, if you go for the free bots, you'll end up acquiring inaccurate and poor performing bots, which will actually end up costing you more than you would have spent on getting good materials. And believe me, you might ignore this, you might go for the free bots, but one day you will come back to me and tell me, I wish I came to you. And many traders have told me that. So please don't be one of them. Okay? So that is the third thing. Market conditions change rapidly, so don't let anyone lie to you that there is a bot that is 100% accurate. There is nothing like that, but there is something called a high-performing bot or high-performing bots, which are the ones that you should aim for. All right? And the last thing, guys, don't trust unknown bots from strangers on Telegram or TikTok or even from YouTube, whereby just somebody comes and tells you, I have these bots, they are good, take them. You don't know the guy, you have never seen him talk about anything pertaining to the bot, but he just tells you, take the bot. Or you just see somebody trading with a bot on TikTok and you see they have made a lot of profit and you're like, I need that bot. They tell you pay $200 to get the bot. You pay, you get the bot, you run it thinking you'll get the profit, but you end up making a loss and you start wondering why. Ensure, that is why I've said, ensure you get bots from a reliable source, which I've said I will give you when I say more than 100, I actually mean I'll give you every high performing bot in Deriv. All of them. So whenever you acquire those bots, you'll never need to worry about any bot or any document in Deriv. Your work will be learning strategies that you'll be applying on those bots. The main thing you'll have in your future will be learning. You'll never need to worry about any trading bot ever. Okay, and that is why I've said if you need high performing bots, my WhatsApp number is in the description. I will give you this bot at less, and I mean less than $20. My main aim is that every trader, small, big, beginner or experienced, should have all the trading bots they need affordably. That is the main thing, because in this channel, because I was a victim, okay? When I started out trading, I really looked for good bots and I could not find any. I ended up purchasing $300 bots that were actually defective and they cost me a lot of money. I ended up looking for free bots, which actually cost me even more. But getting good bots will really serve you and will be able to actually grow yourself as a trader. So guys, don't just take bots from anywhere where somebody tells you, I'll give you a fold of bots and you take it and you start using them. Please don't do that. Okay, and the other thing, guys, whenever you get a bot, please use it in demo first for a couple of days to test it out. Test it out under different market conditions. Test it out under different trade types. Trade it as test it out under different contract types and so on. All right, ensure you test it out to the max before you use it on your real account. The same applies to strategies. Don't just learn a strategy and then run to your real account. Don't just get a bot and run to your real account. Test it out in demo first and then proceed to test it out or to use it in your real account. And guys, once you're aware of these risks and warnings, you'll actually be profitable and a better trader, because the main thing is that you become better every day. We might not yet become profitable, but the main thing is that you become better, because every increment in becoming better will result in excellence, and that is what you are targeting as traders. All right. So guys, if you need materials, as I've said, my WhatsApp number is in the description. Hit me up. I will contact you directly, and then we can proceed. All right. If you need classes, again, WhatsApp me, my number is in the description. I will give you tailored classes for you. I do not have generic classes where I put 100 people in a class together. I cover every trader on their own based on what they need and based on their schedule. So if you're interested, guys, WhatsApp me. My number is in the description. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, please WhatsApp me, or please comment in the comment section down below. And if you want one free bot, please comment "I want a bot" in the description, and please make sure you subscribe and send that screenshot to my WhatsApp number, and I will give you one excellent good bot. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and let us meet in the next one.